What if I told you that anyone on YouTube, or even an AI, could tag you in a completely random or worse, embarrassing video without your permission? It's true, and there's a hidden privacy setting enabled by default on almost every single account that allows it. Welcome back to Know My Tech. Today I'm showing you the one crucial privacy tweak you need to make on your device right now to protect your digital footprint. Stick around because it takes less than 30 seconds to fix this, but it will save you a massive headache later. Here's the issue. If you open the YouTube app and have a profile set up, your account is currently wide open. There's a feature that allows users, even artificial intelligence, to mention your channel in video titles, descriptions, and comments. Imagine your name permanently linked to a controversial or spammy video that you want absolutely nothing to do with. Not great, right? You definitely want to be in control of where you appear online. Fortunately, we can shut this down instantly. Grab your phone and follow along. Open the YouTube app, tap your profile picture down in the bottom right corner. Hit the gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on privacy. Look for the feature called Allow Users to Mention Me. Notice how it says anyone can mention you. Simply toggle this off. And just like that, your account is locked down. Drop a comment down below if this setting was turned on for you, and make sure to subscribe for more quick device tips. Stay secure, and I'll catch you next one.